Hi guys, welcome to Ankita's kitchen. Today we are going to make this very colorful Hyderabadi Paneer recipe. So let's get it started. Here I have taken 4 cardamoms, kasuri methi, red chili powder, garam masala, roasted jeera powder, curd, salt and palak, one bunch roughly chopped, coriander half a bunch, not finely, roughly chopped, onions sliced, oil and one small tomato, green chilies, whole garlic and I've also taken ginger paste, which is not here, but then yeah. So let's begin cooking. Here I've taken a pan. To that we'll add some oil. Once the oil is hot, to that we're going to add green cardamoms, 4 green cardamoms. And then first goes sliced onions, one medium sized onion, saute, and to that we'll add the ginger paste, whole garlic, 3 garlic and 3 green chilies roughly chopped. So we're going to cook this. Some salt to taste. We just want the onions to get some color. And then we have added roasted jeera powder, 1 small tomato, and comes in the palak. It looks like a lot, but then it's not. Goes in the coriander, dhania. Make sure it's washed properly. It's only the leaves. अच्छे से इसको कुक कर लेंगे for 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. Now the flame here is high. It's releasing its water, as you can see. 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. It's essential. Please do not skip it. You can if you want, but then I don't know why you would when I'm telling you it's tasty. And then give it a good mix. See, there's nothing left. And here it's done. We'll give it a good mix, turn off the flame here, and we have to blend this. So now I'm going to blend it. I've taken this and here it is. Just make sure it's the entire thing is not hot when you're blending it. Yeah, be careful with that. Now I've taken a pan, and to that we'll add some red chili powder because it will give a good color to your curry. And to that we'll add the paste, and be careful because it's going to pop like lava. Oh yeah, it looks scary though. Yeah, and now mix it, give it a good mix, add some water, garam masala powder comes in. Now before the curry comes to a boil, add the curd so that it doesn't split, वरना curd फट जाएगा if it's too hot. So that's why we'll add the curd right away. Yeah, maybe 4 tablespoons of curd. It'll balance everything. Yes, this is a good paneer recipe. And we'll cover this and see the bubble. Once the curry comes to a boil, we'll take off the lid, and see the bubbles. Give it a good mix again here, and then we'll add the paneer now. The dish is very simple, the recipe, but it's very good. Paneer डालने के बाद we'll cover this and cook it for a minute or 2. Before that we'll add the kasuri methi, and without stirring we'll just cover and cook this for a minute or 2. That's it, on high heat. And here it is, it's done. We'll serve it hot. You can serve it with naan, roti, tandoori roti, even rice, pulao, anything. Beautiful. It looks beautiful. Taste even better. And this is the final look. Guys, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do comment. Thank you so much for watching.